Welcome to 24862 16th Avenue in Langley, a 5.7-acre property set on a corner lot with dual frontages on 16th Avenue and 248 Street. This property is fully equipped with a built-in home kennel, a large training field, a horse barn with paddocks, multiple storage buildings, and of course, a beautiful residence. Step inside the 3,058 square foot rancher, thoughtfully designed for comfort, functionality, and everyday living. You'll find 3 generously sized bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, ideal for a growing family, multi-generational living, or on-site staff accommodations. One standout feature is the built-in personal kennel area inside the home, perfect for your own pets or as a staging space for the business. Step back outside and explore the acreage. You'll find a dedicated dog training field, a 900 square foot barn with horse paddocks, and several outbuildings for all your storage and operational needs. The commercial kennel operation is ready for business. Kennel Building 1 spans 4,700 square feet with 52 individual in-out runs. Kennel Building 2 offers 3,800 square feet, featuring 28 runs, an office, a washroom, and room to expand grooming services. Just a few steps from the home is a 400 square foot detached garage, perfect for secure storage, tools, or workshop space. With easy access to Fraser Highway, Highway 1, and the U.S. border, this location is ideal for reaching clients across the Lower Mainland and beyond. Call Farms in BC Real Estate Group today to schedule your private tour.